Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, so we're here at the beautiful Peridot in Dallas, Texas, and we're looking at the pool. So let's take a look at it. It's a cool pool. So this is downtown Dallas, right? And it's a pool that's right here in downtown Dallas. It's a fun pool. Now it is, you can kind of see it. I'm gonna go at a, oh, here's cornhole, how funny. Cornhole, and then you've got grilling stations over there. So this is right outside the building here. But this would be a super fun, pool area. There is a fence that's here that's kind of shielding everything, from view. And then you've got a really fun pool here that you can use anytime. It's a really clean looking pool. There's trees, great looking chairs, and it's just a fun looking pool, and it's right outside here of the relaxation room. We were just in that room. So super fun area. So this would be a great restaurant. If they just added some snacks and stuff like that, this would be a great restaurant. It's a fun area. So this is what it looks like here. And now we're about to go and check out the next amenity. It's the fitness center. So we're going to look at that right now. But don't you love this? Sweet pool, just a swimming area, and a fun place to be. It's already shaded, by the way. It's the afternoon, it's already shaded, so there's not going to be any sun issues. It's just going to be just wonderful enjoyment of this pool.